Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This morning I'm solving my puzzle Magic Squarrows. The rules are ordinary sudoku, so place the digits 1 to 9 in each column, row, and bold outline 3 by 3 box. Magic Square. One of the bold outline 3 by 3 boxes in the grid is a magic square. Within a magic square, the 3 digits in each row, each column, and on each diagonal sum to the same total. Arrows. The digits along an arrow sum to the digit in the attached circle. So the first thing we need to do in this puzzle is locate where the magic square is. Now we know that in a magic square, the rows, columns, and diagonals each add to 15. So any square where there, in a box where there is 3 in a row that are summed to like 6, 7, 8, or 9, we know that that is not a 15. So that is not the magic square, and that is not the magic square, that is not the magic square. In a box where it looks into one of these boxes, all of these 3 boxes, these 4 boxes. In order for that to be a 5, which the center of the magic square is going to be a 5, for all the rows, columns, and diagonals to sum to 15. If that's a 5, this is, the odds are on the vertical and horizontal, and the evens are on the diagonal. Evens are on the diagonal. We know that because each of these has to have 2 evens and an odd, 2 evens and an odd. So these are the odds, 1, 3, 7, 9. Now this is a 1, 9. Let's see, this is a 1, 9, that's a 2, 3, 4. That's a 9. So this can't be the 1, 9. So this is the 1, 9. Now we have a 2, 3, 4, and a 9. And we have a 1, 1, 9. And here we have 3, 5. So down here we can only have 1, 2, 4, or 6. And that doesn't add to an even number. There's no way to get an even number out of that. So anywhere that these digits look into 3 others, this can't be a 5, the magic square. This can't be the magic square. Again, 1, 9 would make a 9 there. This is a 2, 3, 4. This is a 3, 7. Now, 3, 5, 7 there. What is this? 1, 2, 6. Actually, I guess I do have to still work that one out. If this is a 5, this is the 3, 7. No, this is the 1, 9. This is the 3, 7. This is a 1, 2, 4, or 6. And that can't be an even number. It is the same thing. It's the exact same thing. Okay. Can this be the 5? If that's the 5, these are the 6 eighths. And now there's no way to complete the magic square, because that 6 eighths stands to 14, that's 19. That sums to 14, 19 total. This is not the 5. Actually, not the magic square. Can this be the magic square? Again, this be the 3, 7. Let's see. 5. 1, 3, 7, 9. The 9 can't go on an arrow. This is the 1, 9. That'd be a 2, 3, 4. That's a 9. Now, this can't be a 7. This is the 3. That's a 7. That would have to be an 8 and a 1. That's broken. This is not the 5. Can this be the 5? This is magic square. Then this is a 6-8. This is a 2-4. And now that has to be either an 11 or a 15, which comes to that. So that is not a magic square. That is also the gray. Now, that's all to say this is the magic square 5. Here's a 2 or a 4, and that has to be the 2. That goes with a 1 and a 2. So that 1 makes a 2, 3, 4 there. And a 9. 5 needs that's an 8 to make 15. Now this is either a 4 or a 6, but if it's a 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 that are 1 through 4, and this would have to be higher than 4, which doesn't make sense. That's the 6. That's the 1. This is a 2, 4, but the 2 there puts the 2 there and the 4 there. That makes this the 3, 4 pair. That's a 2. That's a 3 and a 4. This is it's 9. Let's see. 2, 6 goes with the 9. This is the 9. 2, 4 goes with the 9. This is the 7. 9 goes there by sudoku. 9 in this row. Can't go on an arrow, can't go on that column, it goes there. 9 in this column, goes there, goes there. 9 down here, 9 there. There's a 5, 8 pair, that has to be the 8, and that's the 5. That makes that the 5. That 2 makes this a 1, 3, 4. That's not the 4, that's not the 1. These are all under 9. Each of them sees a 9. There's 9 there, 9 there, 9 there. So all these are under 9, and they all have a 1 on them. Because if only a 9 can have a 2, 3, 4. So there's a 1 there, there's a 1 there, and a 1 there. This one takes the ones on there. These ones and that one, put a 1 there. These ones and that one, those ones. Let's see, wait, do this one first. These 2 and that one, this one, put 1 there. Now there's the 1 up here because of these 2. And these 2. These 9s, put a 9 there. These 9s and that 9, put a 9 there. And that's all my 9s. That, okay. This is a 6, 7, 8. That's not the 8. There's a 3, 6, 7. There's a 6, 7, 5. Okay, this 3, 4, and that 3, 4 there. That can't be a 3 or a 4, so this is a 3, 4 pair. That makes this a 1, 2, 5. The 1's not there, so this is an 8. This is a 6, 7, 8. 8's not there. This is a 5 and a 2, 3. No 3's here. That's the 1. 4, 3. Wait for this boat to go by. Oh, it's an ATV. Boy, that's nasty. 6, 7, 8. Not a 7. 6, 7, 4. 4 there. 6, 7 pair. 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. Seven in this row can only go there because it can't go on an arrow. It's not a 3-cell arrow anyway. This is a 2, 4, 5. This is a 6 or a 7. So this is a 1 and a, let's see, 2. But the 2 is there. And that is a 3 because of the 1, 2, 4. That's a 3. This is a 6. This is a 8 by 6, 7, 9. 8. What's an 8 here? Not an 8 there, not a 5 there. This is the 5. This down here is a 2, 4, 5, 7. So the 5, 4 go there, the 7 goes there, and the 2 goes there, and that's the 3, and the 2. This is 4, 5. This is the 3, and the 7, and the 6, and the 7. This is the 3, 6. Okay, an 8 without a 2 is a 1, 3, 4. 4 goes there, so these 2 4s. 3 goes there, that's the 1. That's the 1, not a 1. That's 2 because of the 5 on the row. That's the 5. This is a 6 and an 8. Not an 8. Not an 8. These are not 6s. 6 there. 7, 8, 7. This is the 5. That's the 4. These are a 1, let's see, 2, 3. Need a 3, right? Because of that one. And this is the last one in the row. The column is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 6, 7, 6, 7. Need a 7. I have 2 7s in this column. 6. Boy, I hope I didn't mess this up. This is the 4. That's the 3. That's the 2. That's the 4. That's not the 7. That is the 7. That's the 6 and the 8. 7, 6, and this is the, let's see, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 5. That's the 6, and we are done. Yay, congrats. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you soon. I'll give you a little bit of what I'm looking at today. Oh, there goes the ATV again.